These apps are making you poor. Stop wasting money. Are you unknowingly losing money every single day? It might be because of the apps you're using right now. Stay tuned to find out which apps are silently draining your bank account and how you can stop it before it's too late. In today's digital age, we rely on countless apps for convenience. But did you know that some of these apps are designed to make you spend more than you should? From shopping apps to subscriptions, these digital traps are eating away at your savings. In this video, I'll reveal the top apps making you poor and how you can take control of your finances in 2025. 1. Subscription-based apps, Netflix, Spotify, etc. These apps offer convenience, but often come with hidden charges, free trials that auto-renew without notice. How to manage and cancel unnecessary subscriptions. 2. Online shopping apps, Amazon, Wish, etc. Flash sales and push notifications trigger impulse buying. Tactics like limited time offers manipulate you to spend. Solution: turn off notifications and set a monthly shopping budget. 3. Food delivery apps, Uber Eats, DoorDash, etc. High service fees and delivery charges add up over time. Promotions that encourage frequent ordering. Solution: limit usage and cook at home to save money. 4. Mobile games with in-app purchases, Candy Crush, PUBG Mobile, etc. Microtransactions can lead to big expenses. Psychological tricks like limited offers and loot boxes. Solution: set spending limits or avoid pay-to-win games. Buy now, pay later apps, Afterpay, Klarna, etc. makes you spend more than you can afford. Hidden interest fees if payments are delayed. Solution: stick to traditional budgeting and avoid debt traps. 6. Investment apps with high fees. Some robo-advisors. Hidden management fees reduce your profits. Promises of quick returns can mislead new investors. Solution: research low-cost investment platforms and diversify. Bonus tip: audit your apps every month. Go through your phone and uninstall apps you don't use or that encourage unnecessary spending. It's a small step that can save you big money. If you're ready to take back control of your finances, start by deleting the apps that are draining your wallet. Did any of these surprise you? Comment below and let's discuss. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more smart money tips.